Oil prices rose for a third consecutive day on Wednesday. The increase came as tensions in the Gulf region intensified and peace talks between the United States and Iran remained stuck. Brent crude futures gained around 1%. The benchmark oil contract climbed to $94.74 per barrel. The rise reflected growing concerns among investors. Markets are worried that escalating tensions could affect global oil supplies. The latest gain came after fresh hostilities in the Gulf. The situation has become more uncertain as diplomatic efforts between Washington and Tehran show little progress. Last week, both countries indicated that they had reached a tentative understanding aimed at ending the conflict. However, no final agreement has been signed. The lack of a formal peace deal has increased fears of further military action. According to the US military, Iran launched missile attacks targeting Bahrain, Kuwait, and other regional locations. Officials said the attacks were either intercepted or failed to hit their intended targets. Even so, the incident raised concerns across global markets. Traders are closely watching developments in the Middle East. The region remains one of the world's most important sources of crude oil. Any disruption to production or transportation could have a major impact on energy prices. The Strait of Hormuz remains a key focus. A significant portion of the world's oil shipments passes through the narrow waterway. Analysts said any threat to shipping routes could quickly push prices higher. Apart from oil markets, currency traders also reacted to the developments. The US dollar briefly touched the 160 yen market and it later eased. The investor become cautious about possible intervention by Japanese authorities. Many traders believe Japan could step into the market if the yen weakens further. Global stock markets showed mixed performance. S&P 500 futures remained largely unchanged. European stock futures slipped slightly during early trading. In Asia, however, investor confidence remained strong. Technology and artificial intelligence stocks continue to support market gains. Stock indexes in Japan and Taiwan reached fresh records high. The rally in AI related companies helped offset concerns about geopolitical risk. South Korean markets remained closed during the session. Market experts say oil prices could remain volatile in the coming days. Much will depend on whether the United States and Iran can return to meaningful negotiations. Investors are expected to monitor both diplomatic and military developments closely. Any sign of progress in talks could ease pressure on oil markets. However, renewed attacks or further escalation may push prices even higher. For now, concerns about supply disruptions continue to dominate the trading sentiment. The Gulf remains at the center of global attention as uncertainty grows. Oil traders, governments, and businesses around the world are preparing for possible market shocks. The coming days could prove crucial for both energy markets and regional stability. Stay tuned with us for more updates. To like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel.